The number of Ohioans living with dementia is on the rise every day. This week marked the start of Alzheimer's Care Education Week.
NBC4 State House reporter Natalie Fahmy shares the new efforts to educate and support affected Ohioans. Natalie?
Jennifer, Jared, it's a bipartisan effort, and the new bill is one of the shorter ones at the Ohio State House. But the bill sponsors tells me it's straightforward legislation that could be impactful for thousands of Ohioans.
The issue of dementia, Alzheimer's, is becoming more prevalent in our daily lives.
House Bill 397 would instruct the Ohio Department of Health to work with several other state departments and community organizations to incorporate dementia awareness information into relevant public health outreach.
Not only with the person that has dementia, but also the caregivers.
According to the Alzheimer's Association, more than 11% of Ohioans 45 and older report having subjective cognitive decline, and nearly 250,000 Ohioans over 65 are currently living with Alzheimer's disease. Those numbers have been increasing over the past 5 years.
1 year they're really going, and then it starts to happen, and it's really a sad situation.
And making sure, we can note these things early and hopefully help people stay healthy longer.
According to the Alzheimer's Association, nearly half of Ohioans who report having memory problems have not talked to a healthcare provider. The proposed bill would require community education to include information on how to reduce the risk of cognitive decline, assessment tools for detection, and information about early warning signs.
Our hope is that this will help encourage people to make sure they're getting their annual checkups, especially as they're aging.
Representative Jim Hoops, one of the sponsors of the bill, says it's also about educating other public-facing services.
How do we teach, for instance, a law enforcement agent or a police officer, how do they deal with somebody that may have Alzheimer's?
The bill was just introduced at the start of the month, but Representative Hoops tells me he thinks it's likely to have broad support within the House. Local for you at the State House, I'm Natalie Fahmy, NBC4.
Natalie, thank you.